What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Forte remote key fob. This Kia Forte key fob is going to be for the vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, this is the slot that the emergency key slid out of, and then we see there's also this notch right here, this little slot. What I'm going to do is take my emergency key and put it in this slot like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in that, and then I'm just going to twist the key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Go ahead and pull that the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And then in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. So for this part, I'm going to grab my key and use it to get under the edge of the battery. There's a little cutout right here. So get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down. Positive side down, plus side down. Then this edge right here that has this little metal battery clip, that's the edge I'm going to start in first, like that. Tuck that edge in first, and then snap the battery down into place. And then we can put the two halves of the case back together. Make sure everything's sitting down where it needs to be, and these silver pieces on the side, these small silver pieces, can come loose, so make sure those are snapped on. Snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.